Welcome back to Wits and Giggles. Mars is being robbed right now in broad daylight, and we just caught the thief. Something has been stealing the air off an entire planet for 4 billion years. And in August 2026, 2 spacecraft finally caught it in the act. Because this theft explains the biggest cold case in the solar system. What killed Mars? 4 billion years ago, Mars was not a red desert. It was blue. Rivers carved valleys you can still see today. Lakes filled craters for millions of years. There may have been an ocean covering the entire northern half of the planet. And where there is that much water, there could have been life. All of it needed one thing to survive: a thick, warm blanket of air. Today, that blanket is gone. What's left is under 1% of Earth's air. The prime suspect in this disappearance has always been our own friendly sun. The sun constantly blasts out charged particles, a storm called the solar wind. It slams into planets at 400 kilometers every single second. Earth barely notices. Our molten core makes a magnetic shield that deflects the blast. Mars had a shield too. Around 4 billion years ago, its core shut down. Since that day, the naked sky of Mars has faced the storm alone. Spacecraft kept spotting something strange: giant blobs of Martian air drifting away into space. Each blob carried a shocking amount of atmosphere, but nobody knew what launched them. To solve it, you'd need to watch the Sun and Mars at the same time. One spacecraft can't be in 2 places, so scientists teamed up 2 of them. China's Tianwen-1 watched the incoming solar wind. NASA's MAVEN watched the escaping air. Together they saw it. The sun's wind was calm, yet the blobs kept coming. That meant the answer wasn't a gust from the sun. It was something homegrown. You've seen this before. Blow across water, and it breaks into rolling wave. The solar wind does the same thing to the top of Mars's sky. Giant invisible waves curl along the atmosphere's edge, tearing off chunks and hurling them into space. Inside those waves, air escapes up to 100 times faster than normal. And they crash mostly on one side of Mars, steered by an electric field. So Mars wasn't destroyed in one big disaster. It was eroded, breath by breath. The robbery never ended. Mars is losing its sky, one wave at a time. That's it. Your brain says thanks. The next one is already waiting right there.